To fix Instagram not showing followers and following problems. So there are basically three ways that you can actually fix this. Two ways. So if someone like block you on Instagram, then you can actually not see their following or followers list. And if someone like not blocked you and you still can't see their following and followers lists, it is possible that their account is a private account. And if their account is also not a private account and if you still can't see, then first of all make sure that you have the stable internet connection. And the second thing that you can actually check, you can actually go to the Play Store here and you will search for Instagram here, and you will check that whether there is an update here. So as you can see that I have the update to my Instagram app, so I will just update it now. So that's how you can actually fix this. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.